Hello everyone, my name is Purnima. Welcome back to my channel. I'm an IELTS and PT trainer. But guys, in today's video, I'm not going to discuss with you any information related to PT and IELTS, but a very important topic, and that is our Indian education system. As you know that every year QS University World Ranking is done, and in this top 100 universities are ranked on the various parameters, and that parameters we will discuss in the end of the video also. So there is a bad news for us that this year none of our Indian institute was selected in the top 100, and the ranking was done on 10th of June. So what it indicates? What it indicates about the standard of our Indian institutes, that are none of the institute is able to stand with the international universities. It means that there is a big problem in our education system, and from this I also conclude that this is the reason why Indian students prefer to study in abroad. And if I'm talking about the universities ranking in detail, then you can see on the screen the top notch universities which are in the top 10 are Ivy League College from US, UK, and one from Switzerland. Second is Massachusetts IIT ranked. Stanford University secured next two ranks in the list of world's best universities. And if I talk about the renowned University of India, that are IIT Bombay, IIT Bengaluru, IIT Delhi, then rank of these universities is decreased by 172 to 152, 185 to 184, and 193 to 182 respectively. And this rank is getting low and low with the passage of time. Delhi University, which is one of the renowned university, DU was the only university to secure a position among the top 10 university in India, and top 11 universities Jadavpur University. And this ranking is only in India, not in all over the world, not in QS ranking. And if I'm talking about the total universities in India, so you can see total universities in India is equal to 1000, including government, private, and deemed university. But a total of 21 Indian institutes came into top 1000 in QS ranking 2021, whereas last year 24 institutes had secured a rank. Last year there were 24 institutes who secured this rank in 2019, but in this year a total of 21 Indian institutes came into the top 1000. So the ranking, the standard of our Indian institutes is getting low and low day by day. And you know what's the factors on which QS ranking is done? First one is reputation. The most important factor is reputation. The reputation of our university is decreasing day by day. Second is faculty and student ratio. Third is citations per faculty. Next is employer reputation. Fifth one is international faculty ratio, and sixth one is student ratio. From all these details, we can say that our universities have drawbacks in these parameters, and it's high time that government, and it's the duty of every individual also, to improve the education system. So guys, you know that every year millions of students take the coaching of NEET, JEE, and other government exams to enroll these in reputed universities. But what's the benefit of this? Nothing. If the reputation of our university is decreasing day by day, then it's not a good news for our Indian students. So it's high time, and it's very mandatory important that we have to do something about our Indian education system. Some changes should be done. So what's your opinion on this? What do you think, and what do you have suggestions regarding this? What should be done in our education system? If you have any suggestion in your mind by which we can improve our Indian education system and the institute standards or infrastructure, anything, please comment and share this video more and more with your friends so that they can get higher study in their native country. And also I think that this is the biggest reason why international universities are getting popularity day by day, and Indian students prefer to go abroad for their higher studies. This is the biggest reason for this. So guys, think about it. What's your opinion about this? what improvement you want to see in your Indian education system and universities. Please comment and share this video more and more to all Indian students. Okay guys, I hope that you will like the video, and it's very urgent to know that our education system is not going well. Okay guys, so share this video more and more, and if you like it, then subscribe my channel to get more updates regarding the universities, IELTS, PT and other international education information. Okay, thank you.